Hello everyone, myself Antara Paja. I wanted to thank my respecting teacher Poloy Mojumdar for helping me, and I am glad to giving me this opportunity. My today's topic: fight depression and be happy again. We all know that depression is very common mental disorder this day. According to WHO, globally more than 26 million people of all ages suffer from depression, and depression can also lead to suicide. Now I am telling you how to prevent depression without medicine and how to survive. So let's start. At first, we will know what is depression. Depression is a common mental disorder that presents with prolonged sadness, depressive mood, loss of interest, feeling of guilt, low self-worth, disturbed sleep or appetite, low energy, and poor concentration. In next slide, we can see from this picture, in depression, nervous system, immune system, endocrine system are too much affected and release stress hormone. Type of depression. Here is a main 7 type of depression that are major depressive disorder, persistent depressive disorder, bipolar depression, postpartum depression, premenstrual disorder, seasonal disorder, and artificial depression. Next, causes of depression. Most common causes of depression are brain chemistry imbalance, genetic and biology, stress, drug, poor nutrition, female sex hormone, physical health problem, etc. Next, symptoms of depression. Here is a 4 type of symptoms: emotions, thoughts, physical, and behavior. Major symptoms of depression are no connection, loss of interest, sleeping problem, thoughts of death, loss of energy, depressive mood, weight gain or weight loss, feeling worthless or guilt, etc. Other symptoms of depression are fatigue, low motivation, muscle pain, negative self-talk, headache, feeling down, upset stomach, etc. Risks for depression and the effects of stress on the body. Here is a 3 types of risk factor: medical risk factor, social risk factor, and substance risk factor. First, medical risk factor for depression. Here is a 4 type of medical risk factor that are genetic factor, sleeping disorder, biochemical factor, and serious illness, that is diabetes, stroke, cancer, or heart disease. Second, social risk factor for depression. Here is also 4 type: gender, lack of social support, major life event like family problem, marriage problem, etc., and abuse. This is a very common risk factor. 3. Substances risk factor for depression. Here is 2 type: substances abuse and medicines. The excessive use of alcohol, drug, and medicines are associated with high risks of depression. In next slide, the effects of stress on the body, that is headache, depression, heart problem, heart attack, liver disease, high blood pressure, breathing problem, menstrual cycle problem, infertility problem, etc. See some common treatment for depression, that is antidepressant pill, doctor, positive thoughts, vitamin, schedule, music, communication, yoga, traveling, a fresh bath, and sleeping at least 8 hours. Now I'll give you some tips to overcome depression. In depression, overthinking and stress is a main problem. So do what makes you happy. Example: singing a song, listening a song, cooking, traveling, watching a video, dancing, and shopping, etc. This way you can handle your stress at least a little bit. And secondly, meditation and physical activity are very important to reduce stress. Meditation helps us stay relaxed and give us peace of mind. So you can meditate for about 10 minutes every day. And physical activity like exercise, walking, run, cycling, etc. increase your body temperature, which can have a calming effect on the central nervous system and release chemical like endorphin, which can boost your mood. And you also can join a sports team or studio and make it habit. This is the best way to preventing depression. Thirdly, express your feelings and emotions. Spend time with family and friends and talk to those people. But sometimes talking to people has a bad effect on our head. So stay away from anyone who makes you feel worse about yourself. Cut people out of your life who takes advantage of you. If you have no friends or you can't express your feelings or emotions, you can write all these things in a diary. Then a negative talk of negative people will not be able to affect you. Fourthly, regular maintain a healthy routine like wake up early in the morning, walk in an open place and go to bed early. Getting penalty of high quality sleep is necessary for both mental and physical health. And most importantly, cut break on social media time because it causes to depression and low self-esteem. Only going to social media with a purpose and avoiding login on several times a day just for something to do. At that time, you can do something else like reading a book, watching a motivation video, etc. Always keep yourself busy. And next, a healthy food habit is very important for prevent depression. Research has shows that regular consuming a high fiber diet can having similar effect as chronic stress is stream of causing depression. So eat balanced meal with a lean protein sources of fish, egg, meat, soybean, milk or milk product, and excess vitamin and minerals that come from fruits, vegetable and dry fruits. Reduce high sugar diet and high fat diet. Eliminate processed food from your diet as much as possible. Added more omega-3 fatty acid into your diet with foods like salmon and nuts, and maintain your healthy weight. Exercise is king, nutrition is queen. Put them together and you have got a kingdom. So take care of your body is the only place you have to live. Thank you for watching this video. Stay fit and stay healthy. If you like this video, please like, comment and subscribe.